Good morning students, welcome to today's class. So we have been discussing about chapter 6 rounding off estimation. So we started exercise 6C. In that we studied one rule, that is if rounding off place value is not specified, we round off each number to its greatest place value. Okay, so E question, since it involves a 4-digit numbers, what we do? We round off each number to their greatest, each number to nearest hundreds. Okay, that is all three numbers we round off to nearest hundreds and then we add up. We got the answer 16,500. Okay, this is your textbook back answer, but we have another answer for this. Okay, so 2843 plus 4382 plus 9328, we can first round off all the numbers to their greatest place value as we did for other questions. Okay, so 2843, what is the greatest place value of this number? Ones place, tens place, hundreds, thousands. We can count up to thousands place digits, so greatest place value it will be 1000. Okay, here also we can count up to ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, so greatest place value is 1000. Now in this ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, so all three numbers, the greatest place value is 1000. Now rounding off all the numbers to its nearest thousands, what we will get? 2843, it will become 3000. Okay, now 4382, that will become 4000. Next 9324 will become 9000. These are to its nearest thousands. Now what we will get? Their sum on adding, we will get a 6, 7, 9, 16,000. Okay, so this is another answer for this. If we round off to nearest hundreds, we will get the first answer, that is 16,500. If we round off to its greatest place value, we will get this answer. Here both answers are correct. You can use any method. Okay, but if it is specified, estimate the sum to the greatest to nearest 1000, then you have to write this answer only. If it is given, estimate the sum to its nearest hundreds, then you have to use write that answer only. That is, after rounding off to 100, you will get the answer 16,500. Okay. Question F also has another answer. So let's see, 83,413 plus 2,567 plus 43,928. So in this, 83,413 is a 5-digit number, 2,567 is a 4-digit number, next 43,928 is a 5-digit number. So here numbers having different number of digits is given. Okay, so what we do? We select the number having the least number of digits. So least number of digits or lesser number of digits here is 2,567. That is 4-digit number. This only contain 4 digit. The others contain 5 digit. So we select the number having least number of digits. So 2,567. Then find its greatest place value. Okay, so this is ones place digit, tens place digit, hundreds place, thousands place digit. Okay, so we can count up to thousands place digit. So its greatest place value is 1000. So round off this number to its nearest thousands. Now round off other numbers also to their nearest thousands. Okay, so rounding off 83,413 to its nearest 1000, you will get 83,000. Okay, now 2,567 on rounding off to nearest thousands, you will get 3,000. Okay, next 43,928 on rounding off to nearest thousands, you will get 44,000. You know how to round off to nearest 1000. You have to see the digit at hundreds place digit. If it is less than 5, then replace hundreds, tens and ones place digit by zeros. If it is greater than 5, then replace hundreds, tens and ones place digit by zeros and add a 1 to thousands place digit. Okay, that is what we did here. So adding, what you will get? You will get 1,30,000. So this is the estimate. It's a sum. This is the sum to its nearest 1000. Okay, so both answers, your first answer and this answer, both are correct. But if you are asked to estimate the sum to its nearest 1000, you have to write this answer. If you are asked to estimate the sum to its nearest hundreds, you have to write the first answer. Okay, both are correct. If nothing is given, means you can use any method. So you write these answers also to your notebook. You can give the heading alternative method. Okay, then you can write the question 1E. Write the question, then write this answers. Okay, F also you write it. Second question, estimate the difference. Okay, so this is the same as we did in the first question. First question, you have to find the sum. Here you have to find the difference. Okay, so see question 567 minus 84. So here numbers having different number of digits is given. 567 contains 3 digits and 84 contains 2 digits. So what we do, we select the number having least number of digits. So here it is 84. 84 contains only 2 digits. Okay, so this greatest place value, find the greatest place value of 84. So ones place, tens place. So 84, greatest place value of 84 is 10. Okay, now round off 84 to its nearest 10 and round off 567 also to nearest tens. So 567 to its nearest 10 will be 570. Okay, 84 to its nearest 10 is 80. Now do the subtraction. Okay, 0 minus 0, 0. Now 17, here it is 4. So 490 is the answer. Okay. D, 3678 minus 1256. So here the numbers given are 4-digit numbers. Okay, so we can round off this to nearest hundreds. Okay, so 3678 on rounding off to nearest hundreds, what we will get? 3,700. Okay, next 1256 on rounding off to nearest 100, we will get 1300. Now subtracting, what we will get? 0. 2400. This is the answer you will get if you round off both the numbers to their nearest hundreds. But there is another method for that. You can round off both the numbers to their nearest thousands also. That is its greatest place value. Okay, 3678. Ones, place, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. We can count up to thousands place digits. So its greatest place value is 1000. Okay, here also in 1256, this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So we can count up to thousands place digit. So its greatest place value is also 1000. Now you can round off both the numbers to their nearest thousands. What you will get? You will get 4000 and 1000. That is 3678. On rounding off to its nearest 1000, you will get 4000. 1256, on rounding off to nearest 1000, you will get 1000. Now doing subtraction, you will get 3000. Okay, both the answers are correct. You can choose any method, but if it is specified, find the difference to its nearest 1000, you have to write this answer only. If it is specified, find the answer to its nearest hundreds, then you have to write the first answer. Okay. Next, F 93,125 minus 34,123. So here two 5 digits numbers are given. So you can round off these numbers to their nearest thousands. Okay, 5 digit numbers are given. You can round off this to nearest 1000. What you will get? 93,125 to its nearest 1000 is 93,000. Okay. 34,123 to its nearest 1000 is 34,000. Okay. Now subtracting, what you will get? Here 30, this will become 8. You will get 59,000. Okay. So this is the answer if you round off these numbers to their nearest thousands. You will get a 59,000. Now alternative method. Another method for finding the answer is this: find the greatest place value of these numbers. Both are 5 digit numbers. So find the greatest place value. So ones place, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Okay, so greatest place value is 10,000 in both the numbers. Okay, now you can round off both the numbers to 10,000. What you will get? 93,125 will become 90,000. Okay, 34,123 will become 30,000. Now doing the subtraction, what you will get? 60,000 you will get. Okay, this is the difference to their nearest 10,000. First one is to their nearest 1000. Both answers are correct. If it is not specified, just given estimate the difference, then you can choose any method. But if it is specified, find the difference or estimate the difference to its nearest 1000, then you have to do this method. You have to write this answer. Okay, if it is specified, estimate the difference to its nearest 10,000, then you have to write this answer, 60,000. Okay, after rounding off to nearest 10,000. Now homeworks question. Exercise 6C, second question, A, B and E. These questions are homework, so do it. This much for this class. Thank you.